So today we're looking at rational functions again and quotients of polynomial functions. So let's see what questions we're being asked today. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay. So we're asked to determine any holes, vertical asymptotes, horizontal or oblique asymptotes if they exist for the following functions. Okay. All right, so let's give this function a name. Let's call it y. All right, so let's look at y. Are there any holes? I don't think there are any holes, but our function is undefined when our denominator, is 0, so when x plus 4 equals 0, or when x equals -4, and this is actually a horizontal asymptote. Therefore, we have a horizontal asymptote. I'll just write this out. Asymptote at x equals -4. So it's always good to put a nice concluding statement after we've done the work. Okay, next question. So we have, again, let's give it a name. Y equals x plus 4 over x squared minus 16. Well, let's see if we can factor. So in the denominator, we do have a difference of squares. That's nice. That factors well. Okay. The factors as x minus 4 times x plus 4. We can cancel out the x plus 4s from the numerator and denominator, and we're left with 1 over x minus 4. Okay, so what does this mean? Well, this means that x plus 4 or x equals -4 is a whole. And our x minus 4, that can't be equal to 0 either. Otherwise, we'd be dividing by 0, and this gives us that x cannot equal 4, or x equals 4 is a horizontal asymptote. Let's use HA for horizontal asymptote. So we have a whole and a horizontal asymptote in this case. So the whole is because we're able to cancel out the bad factor, the factor of x plus 4. So we're able to cancel out that value, x equals -4, and we call it a whole. We can't cancel out the factor x minus 4 from the denominator, so x equaling 4 is a horizontal asymptote. Okay, next question. So now we have a function y equals x squared minus 9 over x plus 3. Again, let's factor. So again, we have a difference of squares in the numerator, which makes life easy for us. So we need to factor. So we have x minus 3 times x plus 3 over x plus 3. The x plus 3's cancel out, and we're left with x minus 3. Well, originally we had an x plus 3 in the denominator, so that means we can't divide, or rather, we can't divide by 0, which means x plus 3 cannot equal 0, or our bad point is when x equals -3, but we're able to cancel out that factor, so therefore we'll put it here, therefore x equaling -3 is a whole. And I think this is our last one. Our function is y equals -3x plus 1 over 2x minus 8. Can we factor anything here? No. Can't divide by 0, so therefore 2x minus 8 cannot equal 0. Or let's solve for x. Our x cannot equal 4. So therefore x equals 4. When x does equal 4, it is a horizontal asymptote. So we've seen a couple of holes and horizontal asymptotes today. Good, so that brings us to the end. If you have any questions, send us a note to info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call day or evening. We look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for watching.